For sales transaction with item discount, click the point of sale button. First, we have to enter the item or product. After entering the item in the list, press F6. Enter the discount in highlighted field, then enter. Amount of item is adjusted. Click the exit button for end transaction. Enter the amount given by the customer and press enter.